Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about TP-Link Archer AX80V IPv6 IPoE-compatible Edge-Stream Wi-Fi 6 router. So friends, the TP-Link has released the Archer AX80V, the Wi-Fi 6 router supporting IPv6 IPoE and featuring 8 data stream is set to launch on Amazon on January 16, 2025, and the price is approximately 119 USD, and the router is engineered to reduce network congestion by utilizing IPv6 IPoE communication, and the router include a high gain antenna and beamforming technology, which together providing extensive coverage and strong signal strength over large areas with support for a data stream, and the router maintains stable internet speed when the multiple devices connected at the same time, and making it suitable for environment with many connected devices, and the device offer maximum speed of 4804 Mbps on 5 GHz band and 1148 Mbps on 2.4 GHz band. It comes with various interface: one 2.5 gigabit WAN and LAN port, gigabit WAN and LAN port, and 3 gigabit LAN port, and USB 3.0 port, and the router support encryption standard including WPA3, WPA2, WPA2 Enterprise. So friend, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.